I used it like once and I hated it. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and here on my channel I post every Wednesdays and Fridays. In today's video, as you guys have read by the title, I'm going to be doing an Empties haul. I haven't done one in a while, but lately I've just been out of stuff and I just kind of collected all the things that I remembered for this video. My last Empties haul was in 2019, 2018-ish. I'll link it right up here so you guys can check that video out. This time I have makeup products along with my natural hair products, so it's kind of like an all-around beauty Empties haul. Yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into this. Start off with hair products first, and normally I start off with like shampoos and conditioners. Now, most of my shampoos and conditioners that were empty, I already threw them away because I forgot that I was going to do this video. First one is the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo, and this is just what it looks like. I used this for when I was in college. It lasted me the whole entire year until, you know, we went out for a Corona or whatever. But it lasted a really long time. It was really moisturizing, and I really loved it. And it cleansed my hair really well. So I'll probably get another one of these. And then I had some conditioner to go with this, but I threw it away. So yeah, both of them were really good, and I will repurchase this probably when I go back to school because it came in handy and it was really cheap. The next shampoo we have is the Maui Moisture Volcanic Ash shampoo. This is just what it looks like, just a black shampoo. I've never ever had a black shampoo, and it smells really good, and it really worked really well with cleansing my hair. This is really good for like just really cleansing and purifying and detoxifying your hair. I didn't get the conditioner with this because I couldn't find it. I'll probably try the conditioner and the shampoo to go together to see how they both work together with my hair. So another shampoo we have is the Hawaiian Silky Triple Butter shampoo. This is just what it looks like. As you guys may know, I was a brand ambassador for Hawaiian Silky. All of their products were really good to me, but this shampoo is like one of my favorite shampoos because it's really moisturizing and cleansed my scalp, and it just worked really well on my hair. And it also was really good for detangling. I like detangling when shampooing my hair most of the time because it's just an easier process. Definitely will get this again. I'll put the link down below for the Hawaiian Silky Triple Butter products and get some money off. You guys can use my coupon code down below. Along with the shampoo, I have the conditioner. Like I said, I was a brand ambassador, so I pretty much have their entire line of the triple butter. At first I didn't like this conditioner, but it kind of just grew on to me because it wasn't really as moisturizing as I thought a conditioner should be, but it did really have a lot of slip and it worked really well on my hair. Yeah, it just really did good with like detangling and hydrating my hair, but it was kind of like a process for me with this conditioner because at first I was not feeling it. It was not my favorite, but as time went on, as many times as I used this product, it was really, really good on my hair. So I use this product as like a facial type of product, and then as like a deep conditioner for my hair when I want to just detoxify my hair. I use the Aztec clay mask. I got this from Amazon a while back, but I didn't use it as much. I use this like every once in a while when my hair or when my face needed a little refresher. So this is the Aztec clay mask, and this is what it looks like. I have like a little bit left, so I'll probably use a little bit of that tonight for like my face. This was really bomb on my hair. When I first used it, I seen a tremendous change in my hair just by using it one time. It was really, really bomb on my hair. And as for my face, it kind of cleansed my face really, really well because I have really oily skin. As you guys can tell, my face is like really shiny right now. I just like using this when I feel like my skin needs like a little revamp in its life, or when my hair feels like really disgusting. I use this on my hair just kind of revert my hair back to some really nice curls. I have their Triple Butter Curl Milk Leave-In. Kind of felt the same way with this with the conditioner. I didn't like it at first. I'm not more of a leave-in type of curly girl. I just basically go for like a curling cream and a gel, and then I'm done. This kind of taught me to go back to the leave-ins because leave-ins is where it's at. I just started to just like it a little bit more. This is really moisturizing on my hair, and especially when I wanted to refresh my wash and goes, this came through. This is really good for just hydrating my hair, and then it was anti-breakage, and it did stick to what it said it was gonna do. The first product I have is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Curling Cream. I have like a good bit left. I don't know if you guys can see because of the lighting. I had this for a while, like way back when I had did my African Pride video, which was in like 2018, I think. So I had this product for a while. The smell was amazing at first, but like over time, I guess because I had it for a while, it just kind of like got really bad, and I did not want to put it in my hair. This did really good with like hydrating my hair and adding moisture into my hair, and it really did amazing for when I did my wash and go. This was just really hydrating when I first used it, but I just kind of stopped using it because I found other curling creams that was better than this product. I would go back to African Pride's curling cream because it was one of my favorites back when I first used it. I just basically forgot about it and just stopped using it, and it's just been in my stash ever since. So another curling cream that I have is the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Curl Cocktail. Basically almost out of this I have like this little section right here, then I'll be done. This was like my favorite product ever. I got this from TJ Maxx when it was on sale for like $4.99. I love me some TJ Maxx. Never ever used Jane Carter Solution products. This was my first product from this brand, and it's really amazing. It smells so good, and I was really in love with this product, and it worked in my hair really well with like any style really I did. Sorry if y'all see this gum, but I just gotta chew it because I know. So the last curling cream that I have is from Hawaiian Silky. This is their curling butter cream, and this was like one of the best products that I have used from the brand. This was like my favorite product, honestly. This and the shampoo was like top notch. If I would buy anything else from Hawaiian Silky, even though I got these products sent to me, but if I would like actually spend my own money on Hawaiian Silky, I would get this right here because I just used this by itself one time and it worked amazing with my hair. And it just did overall like a really good job with my hair. It smells so good. It's really hydrating, really moisturizing, and it defined my curls really well. So I would definitely get this again. If you guys don't know, my favorite oil is tea tree oil. I love me some tea tree oil. I actually bought another one and it's over there on my dresser, but I love me some tea tree oil. It's just really nice on my scalp, and it actually moisturizes my scalp really nicely. So I love me some tea tree oil, so I'm always purchasing a lot of tea tree oil. Onto the gels. I really haven't been using any gel like that lately because I have braids in. I have my braids in for a while now. That's probably a new record for me because I just get braids in and I take them out like 2 weeks later. The type of gel that I've really been using is like for my edges, you know, stuff like that. So one gel that I'm finally out of, it took me forever just to get rid of this gel, is the Got To Be glue gel. This is the black one. I've used the yellow one before. First time I used it, wait, wasn't the first time I used it was when I was at your house? Yeah, Miracle put me on this, well not this one, but the glue, the yellow one. So I bought the black one, and the black one works kind of the same to me. Sleeked up my edges really nice, and it kind of laid down my hair really nice. Especially for my hair type, I have 3C 4A hair. It really laid down my hair really nice when I was doing like slick ponytails or just doing my edges and stuff like that. It just really lasted all day. The only downfall about this gel is like as much as you cake it up, the more white it will look on your hair. And then like if you lay down your hair and then you put like a satin scarf on it, you'll have to like spray. For real, your hair will come off with this sometimes, or like it will leave like a white residue. So I just put like tea tree oil or some type of oil or sprayed it down with some water to try to hide the white residue. But other than that, this really did lay down your hair really nice. I had this for a long time. Y'all probably gonna be like, this is not even empty, this is like still brand new. I used it like once and I hated it. This is the Carol's Daughter Praxi, I don't know, Nectar Style Control Gel. I didn't like it because, as you guys know, I like using gel with my moisturizers, and literally all the moisturizers that I used did not work well with this gel at all. Maybe I need to go get a moisturizer that comes with this brand. Yeah, it smells really nice, but the gel, it was very watery and I wasn't really feeling it. Moving on from the hair products to the makeup or beauty type of product. This is my first time doing beauty on here because I never do beauty. I just throw my products away when I'm done. First product, I'm just gonna start with foundation since this is a lot easier. Foundation that I have is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 335 Classic Tan. Y'all already know this is like one of my favorite foundations ever, but I'm kind of branching off from Maybelline, giving it a break because I want to try some new foundations. Like I always try the same foundation. This is like one of the first foundations that I use ever since I started my whole makeup journey. Yeah, I really do like this foundation. It's really great for combination skin, and Maybelline already has like a really bomb foundation line. Moving on to concealers, I have like 3 concealers, and the first one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I told you guys I love me some Maybelline. Maybelline is like one of my favorite drugstore brands. This is in the shade Tan. I use this as like a spot corrector on my face just for like if I didn't want to use any foundation. I just use this on my face for like to cover up my dark under eyes and like dark spots around my face. This concealer kind of matches my skin tone, so I don't really use it as like a brighten concealer or anything. So the next concealer, you guys can tell that this is like really getting old because the words are gone. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Cafe. I also use this as like a spot concealer. I really love this concealer. It doesn't have as much coverage as the Instant Age Rewind concealer, but it did have pretty good coverage. The last concealer I have is the Morphe concealer. Now, anything from Morphe, I've only used their setting spray and their brow products and their eyeshadow palettes. That's pretty much all I've used from Morphe, so I decided to branch out a little bit and go ahead and get their Morphe concealer, and this is in the shade C415. This is like one of my favorite concealers. This concealer was amazing for like a full coverage. Consistency of this was really bomb. They said the foundation is pretty good, so I'll probably have to try the foundation with this concealer. I would go ahead and get this concealer again because I really did enjoy using this. All right, so this product right here, I got this from like my grandma's like little range of products. So this is the Magna Carta, the Magna Carta. I don't really know how to pronounce this brand's name, but it's their dual powder, and this is in C6 Flawless Tan, and I just use this as like a overall powder foundation for my face. I really did enjoy using this product. Like, I'm literally all out, like it's just a little bit left, but I did enjoy using this. I've never heard of this brand until like I seen it like in all of her makeup stuff, so I decided to see what this is about. But it's just their Flawless Finish powder foundation, and I use this just to like powder all over around my face when I'm finished like baking and stuff. This is really amazing on my skin, and I definitely will try to find this if they still have it. I don't even know nothing really about this company, but this was really good on my skin. As you guys know, I always use this blush. I love Tarte for their blushes because their blushes are really nice on my skin. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Quirky. Well, this is what it looks like. Mine is broken because I used the heck out of it, but to be quite honest with you, I don't even know if they still have this shade on their website or even in their stock, because I've had this for like a while. I got this from my Ipsy bag when I first went to subscribe to Ipsy, but this was really good on my skin tone. I like the little shade. I like the color on my skin. It was really nice, and I think I will always go for like this type of shade on my skin because it just complements my skin really nice. I would definitely buy some more blushes from Tarte. This is the IBY Beauty Radiant Glow highlighter, and this is in the shade 24K Magic. This is just what it looks like. It broke, so this is now part of my Empties. I really did like this highlighter. It complemented my skin really nice. It had that nice glow in my pictures. You already know. I'll look on the IBY Beauty website to find more of their highlighters to see if they have any more. Yeah, this is one of my favorite highlighters, and I use this for literally all of my looks. Like, I use this a lot, but it broke, so all of the product came out before I could even like put it back. So guys, so we've come to the end of this video. This is all of my Empties haul for 2020. I literally saved up half of these products for just for this video. The only difference about this haul versus my other hauls, I added in more beauty products. Normally I just go for the natural hair products. So let me know down in the comment section below if you guys like me incorporating all of my beauty products. And I also have a lot of new products that I just recently bought. So if you guys want to see a new makeup haul, then make sure you guys give me a thumbs up for that as well. And if you guys have stayed all the way to the end, you have not subscribed already, then please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.